it will be fast pala eh. This is scary pala. Oh, scary naman eh. Wow. You're not even scared one bit? Eh, why are you scared in the roller coaster?
It feels different than this. It feels more like I'm falling.
Hi, with the roller coaster. This one is like you're just in a swing, no? Ah, this is more slower compared to the hot air balloon, ano?
Really?
Yeah, in the hot air balloon, I got a little, ano eh.
Scared?
Yeah, a little, no. This is more boring compared to the hot air balloon. The hot air balloon is faster. But this is more dangerous.
Really?
Kasi in the hot air balloon, you're sitting down inside the hot air balloon. This one, your feet is hanging outside, though. Done. Yeah, this is boring.